Yeah. Latish Kumar, you are appearing for which interview?
Sir, I'm going to attend for SO, sir, Specialist Officer for
Of
Karnataka Bank.
Karnataka Bank. That is specialist
Yes.
officer, means law officer or what?
It is for marketing, sir. MBA
That's a
graduates.
MBA marketing. Then,
Yes, sir.
then the questions will be more or less same for your Karnataka Bank and also for Federal Bank, because these people are also going for marketing, that is
Okay.
sales and acquisition.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But in fact, the only difference between these people and you is that they are all going for CSA, that is service associate, customer service associate, whereas you are going for officer category. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Now,
Yes.
you studied Latif Kumar marketing.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me why marketing is required for banks?
Sir, basically, telling about marketing. Marketing is the best field because this is a field where we can understand what customer needs. First of all, when we go to any of the customers, or if we approach any customers, before that we have to do one customer survey to know that what type of customer services they want from the bank. Might be what services they value towards, and all these things. And basically there are several steps over marketing also. Whenever we firstly we have to respect, and first we have to ask the customers, or we have to do research about the customers, what they service, what type of service they want from us.
You are repeating the same point two times. Are you
Yes,
aware?
sir.
Are
Yes,
you
sir. Yes,
aware?
sir.
You have
Yes,
repeated
sir,
the
I'm
same
aware.
point. Instead, you could
Yes,
have
sir.
told only once. Simply tell marketing
Yes, sir.
is very much required for banks because one, other banks will be continuing to canvass for their expansion, and that will affect our expansion, or it may result in our losing business. So, in order to compensate that, we have to continue to be interested in marketing of our products by
Yes, sir,
doing
got
a
it, sir.
research, by giving advertisements, by having brand ambassador. Who is the brand ambassador of Federal Bank? Vidya Balan. Mrs. Vidya Balan, the actress, is the new brand ambassador appointed by our Federal Bank. So you should tell like that, Lalit Kumar. Lalit
Yes, sir,
Kumar,
got it, sir.
yeah, got it. Yeah. Lalit Kumar, what
Yes,
is
sir.
your father?
My father is working in KMF Dairy, sir. Milk Federation.
Oh, you told me. I think yesterday you talked to me over WhatsApp. Huh?
Yes, 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 sir. We were chatting, and we
Acha,
also had a Zoom meet, sir.
yeah, yeah. I think you were telling about mother and father, both of them working in the same company.
Yes, yes, in the same company itself, sir.
Excellent. That's good. Now, we will go for the next candidate who has come today, Kritika. Kritika, you are appearing for which bank interview? Kritika, you are
Yeah,
appearing for.
hello.
Ah,
Yeah, sir. Yeah, I'm appearing for law officer for Karnataka Bank.
acha, good. So you are
Yeah.
appearing for law officer Karnataka. Good.
Yes, yes, yeah.
What are the other exams you have written so far?
No, I haven't written actually any exams. Also, this is also not an exam based. It was given that only there will be an online interview.
Yeah, yeah. And which year you completed your BL?
LLB I completed in the year 2022.
Are they permitting?
Yeah, they are asking for LLM, and currently I am pursuing LLM final year, final SEM.
Acha, acha, acha. That is why you are eligible.
Yeah, yes, yes. Yeah, they have
Good.
asked either 2024, 25, or final year students of LLM, final SEM
Acha.
students.
Which college are you studying LLM?
Jindal Global Law College.
Where is it?
It's in Sonipat, but it's an online program, so my classes are all conducted through online.
Or Sonipat means where?
Haryana,
Acha, you are staying in which place?
Karnataka, Mangalore.
Acha, good, good, good. Why
Yeah.
did you not join a regular college?
Because in the year like in the 2024 May, my marriage was fixed, so that was the reason I thought there will be a career gap, right? So I thought I'll do the LLM in the same year, so I can give attention to my family also. So that was the reason I chose LLM as an online program.
What is your husband doing?
He's a doctor.
Doctor means Ayurvedic or which type
No,
of doctor?
MBBS doctor.
Acha, what is he doing? Is he practicing
Yeah,
or
yeah,
is he working for hospital?
he's working for a hospital.
Government hospital or general private hospital?
Yeah, currently he has just joined the PHC government.
Government. Acha, acha,
Yeah,
acha.
yeah,
Good, good. So
yeah.
the clinic is in which place?
It's
Mangalore.
near to Mangalore itself. Yeah, it's called Moodbidre. Place is called as Moodbidre.
Is it well established or is in the beginning stage?
Sorry, which one?
The hospital.
The hospital. It is a Namma clinic. Actually, it is. So it is a kind of government one, newly introduced clinic. It is. It is almost 2 years. Is that section is introduced.
Okay. Very good. Excellent. Who is the health minister of Karnataka? Hello. A lawyer. Lawyer. Kritika.
Hello.
Who is the health minister of Karnataka?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not aware of that.
So we should not be like this. Whenever we go for interviews, we must be
Okay.
in a position to answer allied details. I am not asking something very strange. I am
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
asking
Yes.
something related to your husband's occupation only.
Yes.
Understand?
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
So
Yes. Yeah.
you must know about Karnataka state government. Karnataka say ministers list, number of districts, and about hospitals, etc. Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah.
then you can be asked what are the government welfare schemes for health for the citizens of Karnataka. Please get an
Okay.
answer for this also.
Okay. Okay.
Though
Yeah.
you are though you are going for law officer interview, this is
Okay.
different.
Huh.
Then since you are going for law officer interview, the
Okay.
questions that can be expected are related to laws concerning banking, insurance, business,
Okay.
economy, then family life, and then
Okay.
contract act, then partnership act, then
Okay.
limitation act, then
Okay.
surface act, then like that, everything related to banking.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
So negotiable instruments act, like that. You must
Okay.
know the important provisions of these acts. In fact,
Okay, sir. Yeah.
others who are attending for um, officer sales acquisition also, they
Hmm.
must know negotiable instruments act. They must know contract act, basic ideas, not very
Hmm.
much in
Hmm.
detail. So, but you as a lawyer, you must
Hmm.
know this. You must also know the legal procedures for filing of suit, then getting
Okay.
a decree and execution of decree, In what way surface E is superior? These points you must try to get up.
Oh, okay, sir.
So that is for you. That is for your law. I think I have
Okay.
given you one paper separately giving a law officer interview questions. Did you see
Yes,
that?
yes, yeah. Yes, sir, yeah.
I think nearly 46 pages questions are there. Majority of them, there may be some repetition, but
Yeah,
still
okay.
you will see questions like that. Something not directly related also. For examples, limitation relating to bank.
Mm-hmm.
Then what
Okay.
is writ of habeas corpus? Then
Mm.
what is section 45 ZA of Banking Regulation Act? You know what does it mean?
Oh, no, sir.
Can anyone tell me what is 45 ZA of Banking Regulation Act? It is not a very difficult thing. It is regarding Varshini, you know about it?
No, sir.
Varshini, you have been with me for last 1 week, 10 days.
I don't know this thing, sir.
This thing you don't know, but another thing you will know. Now, what do you understand by nomination? Tell me.
Nomination is done when a person, sorry, sir, that's the other one. Nomination is actually a person would nominate another person's name to take his assets.
In the event
Take
of his
event of
death.
his death.
Yeah. And that only is covered under this. Section 45 ZA,
Hmm.
section 45 ZA is dealing about um, nomination. Miss Kritika,
Yes, yes,
Miss or Mrs. Kritika, please read
yes.
this. Please read this.
Yeah. Nomination for payment of depositors' money. Section 1. Clause 1. Where a deposit is held by a banking company to the credit of one or more persons, the depositor, or as the case may be, all the depositors together may nominate in the prescribed manner one person to whom, in the event of the death of the sole depositor or the death of all depositors, the amount of deposit may be returned by the banking company.
Here, see, one problem with banking, one problem with insurance and a law is that every time it changes. What
Mm,
was law yesterday is not law today.
mm.
But for example, here also change has come. Now, recently, Parliament has passed a law stating that nomination can be done in favor of four persons. Previously, it was one person only. Nowadays, a person having a deposit can nominate four persons' name. Do you get the point?
Yes, sir.
So, are you aware of that recent changes? You are a lawyer. You must know.
Okay, I was actually not aware, sir.
Why are you not aware?
Actually, this banking whole thing is a new thing for me. I actually had no plans like of joining this, but I recently saw this application and I thought it's a very good chance.
Hmm.
So that was when I developed the interest.
Who are all living with you in your family?
Currently, me and my husband, but right now I'm in my mother's home.
Why? Why are you in your mother's home?
No, I came for a vacation for a week.
Hmm. See, now 1 minute. Are you seeing on the screen now about Banking Laws Amendment Bill?
Yes, yeah.
This is very important for even our Varshini also. Varshini is the old student. Varshini, please read this. The banking
Yes.
laws.
The Banking Laws Amendment Bill 2024, passed by the Lok Sabha, allows bank account holders to nominate up to 4 people for their accounts and fixed deposits, simplifying asset distribution after death and offering flexibility in managing funds.
Hmm.
Uh, Increased nominee limit. The bill increases the number of nominees allowed from 1 to 4 for bank accounts, fixed deposits, and recurring deposits.
Hmm.
Successive and simultaneous nomination. Account holders can choose between successive nominations where nominees receive funds in a predetermined order or simultaneous nominations where shares are divided among nominees.
Hmm.
For lockers, only successive nominations will be allowed for bank lockers.
Acha,
Sim-
Kritika madam, what is this successive nomination? I am not able to follow it. इसका मतलब क्या है? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
No, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಹೋ. Account holders can choose between successive nominations where nominees receive funds. Acha, acha, it may be like this. Like, say, they will say the first money will be given to Mr. A, and if A is not there, it will go to B. Like that, successive nomination. In fact, I have not done nomination. That's why I'm after this change. That's why I don't know. Continue. Varshini, read lockers.
Yes, for lockers, only successive nominations will be allowed for bank lockers. Simplified asset distribution. This change aims to This change aims to ease the transfer of funds to successors without legal issues. Flexibility in managing funds. The new rules provide greater flexibility in managing and distributing funds among family members or beneficiaries. Bill status. The bill passed the Lok Sabha on December 3, 2024 and now awaits approval from Rajya Sabha and presidential assent for implementation. SEBI changes. SEBI has also made changes to nomination rules for mutual funds and demat accounts, allowing up to 10 nominees effective from March 1, 2025.
Oh, they have allowed 10 nominations. Oh. The one hand, they say it has not been approved by president. On the other hand, banks are changing the revised nominations. I don't know how these two things go together. I am giving you this one. I am giving you this one in our say, what is that place? UBI group. I will give it. UBI LBO Federal Group. I am giving it there. I will have to pass on to others also afterwards. Yeah. So this is one important thing. So Kritika, number
Yes,
one,
sir.
you must be thorough with almost all important acts. For example, if I go to Google, if I go to
Okay. Mm,
google.co.in and
mm,
ask it
mm.
name the acts relevant for banking, insurance, then industries, then economy, then um, family, Hindu family, then panchayat, district. Once we put it like this, it may
Okay.
give us some various acts, but it is not telling correctly. Mm, list of acts of Parliament of India. These are the acts given. But once you go through this, we will know that many are not very relevant for us now. What is relevant only you take. You
Okay.
you must know about Motor Vehicle Act. Okay,
Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, sir.
like this. Then Registration Act you must know. What is this
Okay.
Anand Marriage Act? You know this? Anand Marriage Act
No,
19 not 1909. You know? You don't know.
no, sir.
I have Reserve Bank of India Act, that is important. Then
Okay.
Banking Regulation Act is important. So please prepare like this, widely covering all aspects of banking, insurance, and other things. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay.
Kritika.
Yes.
But have you ever done some practice, Kritika?
Yes, sir. I have done
For how long?
1 year.
What were you doing during those 1 year?
Yeah, I was in the JMFC and civil court. I was
Hmm.
assisting my senior advocates.
Hmm.
I was into litigation and drafting the documents.
Mhm. So, what is meant by alimony? What is alimony?
Yeah, alimony is given in the while divorcing. It's an amount given to the it can given to the either of the spouse.
Hmm? Hmm.
It is
Either of the
an
spouse.
financial
Either
support.
either of the spouse. Why are you telling either of the spouse?
Like either husband also can claim alimony, or wife also can claim alimony in the
Hmm.
in the separation or for the divorce.
Hmm. Correct. What you are telling is right. And
Oh,
what are the points you see? One question. Whenever any question is asked in interviews, you must
okay.
be able to analyze it from, please note down in your notebook, seven
Oh,
W's angle.
okay.
What, when, why,
Oh,
where, which, how, who.
okay.
About what is alimony, when is alimony, how is alimony, where is alimony, who is benefited by alimony, something like that. Everything related to that particular word, you must be able to talk a few sentences. And
Okay.
in fact, Varshini will know. I have told many times in interviews, we must talk relevant points only and not irrelevant points.
Okay.
That is very important. You should talk only what is important, what is not important should not be talked. You should not repeat the same point two, three times.
Okay,
See,
sir.
see, the only problem is it is like, say, um, a situation where you are going to the interviewers and the interviewers must be impressed by you. They must be happy with you. So accordingly, for that, what are the criteria that should be done? Varshini, tell me what are the things we should follow in order to impress the interviewers?
Sir, initially we have to answer boldly and with confidence. Even though if we don't know the answer, we have to say that we'll prepare and say it. And we should be presentable. And also we should understand what is the question being asked and answer only according to it and not extra information.
Good. See, actually, you told very nicely. We must be presentable. See, unfortunately, we cannot change our color. We cannot change our face appearance and all that. With the given appearance, how are you going to present yourself confidently? So that is what is more important. So please do that. And then, as she rightly told, listen carefully and answer briefly. That's all. Now, are you getting some doubts in your area, Kritika?
No, sir. Right now, one query is that, see, if we don't know a particular answer, how should we answer it? Like, how should we react to that question?
We should tell them, I'm sorry, sir, I don't know. Supposing I ask you now, what is SURFACE Act?
Okay.
What is the answer you will give?
SURFACE Act is an act that, without the intervention of the court, a matter is dealt. So the banks has the right to sell or auction the property if if there is default in the payment of loan.
Everything correct, but you omitted one important point. Bank has the right to sell, auction the mortgaged property
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
or hypothecated property. Understand?
Yes. Yes.
So
Okay,
you
sir.
must use proper words and tell, otherwise you told nicely. Good, not bad.
Oh.
Supposing I ask you a question. Mrs. Kritika,
Yes, sir.
your husband is working as a doctor.
Yes, sir.
Is your father a doctor?
No, sir.
How come you decided to marry a doctor?
Didn't choose him professionally, because just because of his job. I didn't marry him just because of job. I married because we connected. There was a initial connection between us, and I thought it would be great if the I had specific point of view regarding my partner, so that aligned properly with him. So that is the reason I chose him.
Good. Now, mm, can you tell me about some health insurance act? Any act relating to health insurance? For example,
uh,
you don't know, you should tell, sorry, sir, I don't know. That will do.
okay, yeah, okay.
You simply say, I don't know. That will do. You can't be telling like that for all the things, but still,
Okay, yeah.
whatever out of 15 items they ask, even if you answer 12 items correctly, you will
uh,
be selected.
okay, sir.
You know what is the stamp duty for agreement?
um no, sir.
Please get to know them. Basic things that a advocate does. About that, you must know. In
uh,
Karnataka, what is the basic stamp duty for agreement? Then what is
okay.
mortgage? What is hypothecation? What is
Mhm.
pledge? Everything you must get to know.
Okay, sir, yeah.
Then drafting of affidavit.
Yeah, okay.
These things you must know. Now, I will ask Karthik. Karthik, are you
Yes,
there?
yes, sir.
Karthik, what is what is meant by power of attorney? Have you heard the term power of attorney?
Uh, yes, sir. I have heard
What is it?
a legal document that allows one person to authorize another person to act
Good,
on their behalf in financial matters.
very good. Mr. A authorizes B to act on his behalf. Good. That is known as power of attorney. Now, This will be sufficient for a non-law graduate, but a law graduate must tell what is a power of attorney, what is the validity of power of attorney, what is the stamp duty for power of attorney, should it be registered or not registered, everything you must to tell, Kritika. You must know about Companies Act also.
Yes, sir.
2013 Companies Act, everything you must know. Good.
Okay, sir.
Now a few questions for Varshini. She is a officer for sales and acquisition. She has been with me for the last over nearly 10 days or 1 week. Let me see how far I have been able to tell her how she should conduct herself in the interview. I will put it as 1.